In this video, we will be discussing the area model of multiplication and how it is used. So typically when we think about area, we think about like an area of rug, or we think about area and perimeter. In both situations, we're talking about the space that's inside of a rectangle or a square or an object. So that is a principle that we're going to apply actually when we do this multiplication. So first we start out with 59 times 4. We draw a box first, okay, and then we'll put 4 on one side and 59 on the other side, just like we would if we were thinking about doing the area of a rectangle. So here, doing 4 times 59 is a little bit difficult, but I can break 59 down in a way that makes it easier to work with. So I'm actually going to write it in expanded form. So 50 plus 9 is 59 in expanded form. And your students should be familiar with this because we did this during our place value unit. So then I'm going to draw a line right where I put that plus sign there. Just a way to mark up the box a little bit. So first I'm going to say 4 times 50. So with this, what the students do is we say 4 times 5 is 20, and then we add an extra 0, like that is 200, and then we say 4 times 9 is 36. And so my last step here, now I've done my multiplication, I'm just going to add 200 and 36 together, and I get 236. So my product, or my answer for this multiplication problem, is 236. Now a 2-digit by a 2-digit multiplication problem works in a very similar manner. This time though, our box is just going to be a lot larger, because when we break down 62 into expanded form, we'll have 60 plus 2, and when we break down 13, we'll have 10 plus 3. So it doesn't really matter which side you put these numbers on. You just have to put the 60 with the 2 and the 10 with the 3. So they have to add together to be these numbers. So I'm going to put 60 plus 2 on one side, and I'm going to put 10 plus 3 on the other side. Again, where we see the plus signs, we're going to draw lines just like this, and then we multiply. 10 times 60 is 600. 2 times 10 is 20. We multiply 60 times 3 here, and we get 180. And then 3 times 2 is 6. The last step is to add these numbers together. I usually like to just put the numbers in the order of from greatest to least. So I do 600 plus 180 plus 20 plus 6. It helps to line them up that way for the students. I've got 6 and 10, carry my 1. That's my dog barking in the background, sorry about that. 6, 7, 8. And so our answer is 806. And we call that answer a product of a multiplication problem. So that's how you do the area model of multiplication.